In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed Calendly into Squarespace. This tutorial is designed to help you create a more interactive and user-friendly experience on your website, making it easier for your clients or customers to schedule appointments with you directly from your site. Whether you're a consultant, a service provider, or running a small business, integrating Calendly with your Squarespace site can save you time and streamline your booking process. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to make your way to the Calendly website. If you're not familiar, Calendly is an incredible tool that offers free online appointment scheduling software, allowing you to manage your calendar with ease and sophistication. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, you're going to look for the login button to access your account. If you haven't signed up yet, now would be a good time to do so. The process is straightforward and quick. For those of you who prefer to keep things simplified by using existing accounts, Calendly offers a Continue with Google option during the login process. This is quite handy as it lets you consolidate your logins and keep everything under one umbrella, especially if you're already utilizing Google Calendar to manage your schedule. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. Choose the one that you're comfortable managing your scheduling with, or the one that's already tied to your business operations. This integration allows Calendly to sync with your Google Calendar, ensuring that your availability is always up to date and preventing any scheduling conflicts. Once you've selected your account and granted Calendly the necessary permissions, it's time to fine-tune your Calendly settings. Head over to your main Calendly page where you can begin setting up or modifying your event types. Look for the cogwheel icon associated with the event type you want to embed in your Squarespace site and click on it. This brings you to the Events Settings page. In the event settings, you'll find an option labeled Add to Website. Select this to proceed to the embedding options. Choose Inline Embed for a seamless integration that allows the Calendly booking interface to appear directly on your page, providing a smoother experience for your visitors. Click Continue after selecting Inline Embed to generate your custom embed code. With the embed code in hand, it's time to switch over to your Squarespace site. Navigate to your site's editing interface, where you're going to add a new content block to the page where you want your Calendly scheduler to appear. Look for the Add Block button to insert a new content element. From the list of available blocks, you're going to select Code, as we'll be adding HTML code directly to your page. This option may be primarily available for users with a premium Squarespace subscription, so ensure you have the necessary level of access to use this feature. Paste the Calendly embed code into the code block. Once inserted, you'll see the option to apply your changes and see a preview of the Calendly scheduler embedded directly on your site. It's almost like magic how smoothly Calendly and Squarespace work together, allowing you to provide a professional scheduling option to your site visitors. And just like that, you've successfully integrated Calendly into your Squarespace website. Your visitors can now easily book appointments with you without ever having to leave your site. This not only enhances the user experience, but also helps in managing your appointments more efficiently. Remember, the key to a successful integration lies in carefully following these steps and understanding the connection between your Calendly account and your Squarespace site. This tutorial aimed at making the process as clear and straightforward as possible, but don't hesitate to explore additional customization options within both platforms to truly make the booking experience your own. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope this has been informative and helps you streamline your appointment scheduling process on your Squarespace website. Happy scheduling!